Paper arrival cards in India? Gone. Starting October 1st, every foreign traveler will need to fill out an e-arrival card before stepping into India. This is India's big leap into the digital immigration era. But how does it actually work? For decades, flight details, every visitor landing in India was handed a paper disembarkation card asking for passport number. And the address in India is all handwritten. The system caused long queues and delays at immigration counters. Now, the Ministry of Home Affairs is scrapping paper forms and replacing them with a digital e-arrival card, similar to systems in Singapore and Australia. The goal is simple: cut wait times and speed up clearance. Imagine flying into Delhi or Mumbai after a 14-hour flight. Instead of scrambling for a pen and paper, your details are already submitted online. You walk straight to immigration. That's the promise. Travelers must complete the form within 5 days before arrival. If you don't, you could face delays. The process is straightforward. Step 1. Visit indianvisaonline.gov.in e-arrival. Step 2. Enter your personal details: name, nationality, passport number, date of arrival, and purpose of visit. Whether tourism, business, study, medical, employment, research, Ayush, or conference. Step 3. Add your travel history from the past 6 days, address in India, email, phone number, and an emergency contact. Step 4. Submit and download your preview copy. Step 5. Keep that copy handy in case immigration asks to see it. The form becomes mandatory from October 1st, 2025, though a beta version is already live for testing. India is finally moving paperless at the border. Faster, cleaner, and digital. The key is filling your e-arrival on time. Do you think this makes travel smoother, or is it just another online hassle? Comment below and subscribe for more immigration updates you need before you travel.